Hey guys, so I wanted to do two things before I send the car for paint and to get a 5-speed swap. And that was make sure that my front tires stop shaking like a mofo. Because I guess it's now because of the 1-inch spacers that are right here. I don't know if you can see. And it used to do it even more because I used to have 5 lug locks, each different type. So what I'm going to do here is change it from 25 millimeters, which is an inch, to 12 millimeters, which is half an inch. And it's all just to clear the freaking caliper because it would touch here. And with 12 millimeters, I'm sure it'll clear it. So the other problem was the idle. The car would just randomly turn off, and it would even turn off more when I would be driving it, of course, but it would always turn off when I was in a complete stop or when I was going uphill or something like that. So the car would turn off, and I was told it would be something like the idle control. So what I did was I bought one, of course. Let me see the open this. Hold up. Okay, now we open it. So the idle control is right about here, right here. No way, I'll show you guys the one that I have off, which is my old one. So my old one is right about over here. So this is the old one that doesn't really work. So it's placed right here. Alright. So what you're gonna want to do is take off this two screws first, and this one's for the gas, because they'll get on the way first. So these ones are just to move it out of the way, and the idle control ones have 4, so it's right here, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. So you could just go ahead and take that off. After you take it off, this is exactly how it's going to look like. And what you're going to want to do is clean it with brake cleaner. You could clean it right. You're going to clean it all this inside. You're going to clear this 2 squares and circles. Make sure you get everything cleaned up. And with some, you could even put like some, you could clean it with some Q-tips or something like that. That's what we cleaned it with. And you could take this air adjuster. Where is it? Your air adjuster is right here. It's most of the time all the way in, but all you gotta do is turn it counterclockwise, and you could take it off, and you could also clean that. So once you clean it, you could go ahead and put it back on with all the carbon buildup that it has, and it should idle better. At least if it's not fixed, then if you think it's a little bit better, then it's most likely that, and you should buy a new one or a used one. It depends on you, but mine idles really good now, and it doesn't even turn off. And right here in the bottom, in this circle, let me see if I can show you. In this circle right here, that's where you adjust the air all the way in, like I said. And the car no longer turns off. I mean, it's running better than most of the time we had it for. So yeah, let's turn the car on. I still have an air leak or something, but the check engine light is now off. It used to be on. This is pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching.